This is a seated hover with legs straight with an alternating leg lift. So I've got my heels out straight in front of me, knees are pretty much straight, and I am getting my butt off the ground by extending my elbows straight with my shoulders held back and down and a nice long and tall spine. Very important to keep all those points of form, the tall spine, the shoulders back and down, held as I then alternate picking up one leg and then the other. If your arms are a little short like mine, you can use blocks, yoga blocks, or you can use a stack of books as long as you get the same height on each side, or some push-up handles. Whichever you're using, make sure they're right by your side so your hands are right below your shoulders. And then you lift your chest up and out so you're squeezing your shoulder blades back and down towards your back pockets there. And then my knees straight, I'm going to lift my butt up off the ground, and I'm going to hold myself up there as I then just simply alternate, picking one foot up, down, and then the other foot up and down. And you're going to alternate that for however many reps you've been instructed for, keeping your form, shoulders, head back. Just keep checking in with your spine throughout the exercise. You might fatigue and start to fall into rounding your shoulders forward or rounding your back forward. If you can't fix it, first try to really fix it. If you can't fix it, then you bring it down and you reset. And then you just call that your rep count for that set there. Try again on the next set. That there are your seated hover with legs straight, alternating leg lifts.